Hello guys, this is your car technician. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dodge Charger 2013-14 model. Okay, the problem in the car was, as you can see, the display here of ignition accessory on PRNDL. This light goes off certainly because there is a problem which I'll show you in this video. Okay, because of this reason the light goes off and the car doesn't start because of the PRNDL shown in the display. Okay, now the car is the car will start now because the lights are available as shown here. Okay, so I'll show you what was the problem. Okay, as you can see, someone before has changed the fuse box. Okay, changed the fuse box before and done a wiring so bad. He has just tape on the wirings. This will cause later on, like 2-3 months bad, 2-3 months after, it will go bad because there will no be continuity to the wiring because of the tapes. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing a soldering and the sleeves to look the wiring original. Okay, I'll do it now and show you in the video. Later on I'll fix this wiring which the person has done. It's very bad. Okay, as you can see, the wiring is coming out, popping out, and you can see the watering thing here. There is no continuity to the wirings. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the solderings and the sleeves. There is no tape. Okay, everything is done. Okay, the soldering and the sleeves. Now we'll fix this and start the car. I'll show you the further progress. So I'm done with the installing. As you can see, the fuse box is looking as new. Okay, now we'll start the car. As you can see, the car is good to go. We'll start the car. The meter board is working. The PRNDL, it's working fine. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section. Thank you guys.